Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert your black and white photo in Canva. So in order to do that, you have to open Canva. You need to download Canva. If you don't have it, this is free app, and after that you can register your account. So let's start by click on apps and click AI powered. So you can scroll down and then try to find Colorify. So bring your black and white photo back to life. Colorify is an app that restores color to black and white photo, making them look vibrant and lively again. So let's try. Click use in a new design. Choose your canvas. Here you need to upload an image or select a black and white image in your design to colorify it. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Click choose file now and choose your black and white image and wait the process. Please wait as we bring your idea to life and successfully upload to media to your library. So this is the image. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.